Hey guys, how's it going today? So, today we're going to be taking a look at some Flash Fire packs. And at the end of the video, I'm going to be giving away a code for the online Pokemon game. It's a X and Y Flash Fire code, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Alrighty, so up first here, we have Flabébé, Pinecone. This is a pretty cool Pokemon, one of my favorite Johto Pokemon. Sentret, Feebas, Bergmite, Floatzel, Avalanche. So we got the first and second form in the same booster pack. That's pretty cool. Magnetic Storm, Sneasel, and Sandile. Next up here, we're starting things off with a Scraggy, another Flabébé, Stunky, Shinx, looks very happy, Spiritomb, Pidgeotto, Startling Megaphone, Luxio. You know, I think we got a Luxio and a Shinx in the exact same booster pack. It's pretty neat. Ultra Ball. And Luxray. So we have all three forms pulled in one booster pack. That's pretty cool, especially if you like Thunder Pokemon, playing with those in your deck. And our final booster pack here, we have another Shinx, another Sandile, Seedot, Pidgey, Stunky, Floaty, full form of Flabébé, Pokemon Fan Club, Luvidisk, Luxio, Shiny. And our final Pokemon here is Kangaskhan EX. 180 health, can do 70 damage for 3 energies. Retreat cost of 3. Weakness to fighting. It's pretty nice. Alrighty, and our X and Y Flash Fire code for today is... what might it be? Alright, hope that code helps somebody out online. I don't play the game myself, so hopefully someone out there can use that, get some good stuff. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video and enjoyed it, be sure to pass it on to all your friends. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day.